Okay, start.
Hello everyone, I'm Adiba Hussain from Spoken English. In this video, I'm gonna share with you about my school. My school's name is 24 Nang Gachibati Government Primary School. I draw my school pictures. I can see there is my school. I can see there is a wash block. I can see there is a hospital. I can see there is a temple. I can see there is a ground. I can see there is a small pond. I can see there is a small playground. I can see there is a ice cream shop. I can see there is a road. Thank you all.
Make a clap for Orange. Okay. Stop, please. Okay. Nabila, come, please. Again. Okay. So, what's your name?
My name is Aziba Hussain.
Okay. What class are you in?
I'm in class 2.
Okay, dear viewers, she's a little student in this spoken English. She's a student of class 2, and she describes her school very nicely. So, everyone, please pray for her, and everyone make a clap again for her. So, great, Nabila. Okay, go please. Thank you.
এবার আমি বললাম এর পরে